Today's featured car of the day is a 1967 Buick Riviera. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one just happened to be for sale. And this was a couple of years back that I filmed it. I just found the footage for it. But it was a Survivor with the original paint with 94,622 miles on it. And it could be yours for the princely sum of $19,500. And this one was part of the second generation of the Riviera, which went from 1966 through 1970. And these had a 360 horsepower 430 cubic inch engine, which replaced the nailhead finally. They had 360 horsepower and 475 pounds-feet of torque. And these turned into the 455 in 1970, which is what the Rivieras then had, or the Gran Sport Skylarks had the 455 as well. It was from this motor. That's what it turned into. But anyway, production number-wise, they made 42,799 of them in 1967. And out of that, 4,837 had the GS handling option on them. But that's today's featured car of the day, a 1967 Buick Riviera Survivor with original paint that was for sale for $19,500 a couple years back at my classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.